The Greenworks 40-volt 16-inch string trimmer stands out for its power and versatility, making it an ideal tool for maintaining lawns and trimming around various outdoor features. The trimmer is part of the 40-volt lithium-ion system, which means one battery can power over 75 Greenworks tools, offering an efficient and eco-friendly solution for yard maintenance. The trimmer is equipped with TruBrushless technology, which ensures more torque, quieter operation, and a longer lifespan. The Greenworks 40-volt 16-inch string trimmer is attachment-capable, compatible with various Greenworks attachments such as edger, hedge, polesaw, cultivator, and blower, adding more versatility to your lawn care. The trimmer features a professional-grade dual-line bump feed head with an easy wind system for quick reloads, and it is 25% lighter than comparable gas-powered models, providing comfort and control. The string trimmer offers a 2-speed selection with a variable speed trigger for ultimate control, and it is virtually maintenance-free, requiring no gas, oil, or emissions, and operates quietly.